Hello! In this video we will see a method to identify if a transistor is type NPN or PNP, and you only need a multimeter. Remember that an NPN transistor internally is constructed with two layers of N material and one layer of P material in the middle. Schematically, we can see this as two diodes connected by the positive terminal, and we will use this to check if the transistor is NPN. With your multimeter in the diode setting, note that if you connect the positive terminal of the multimeter in the base, you will get a reading by connecting the negative terminal of the multimeter on any of the other two terminals of the transistor. This is the only way of getting two readings, by connecting the positive terminal to the base. Any other combination will fail. Of course, we don't know which pin is the base, but we will try all combinations. And in fact, there are only 6 possible combinations. Let's see how this works. The multimeter is set on the diode scale, and let's check if this is an NPN transistor. Take the positive terminal of the multimeter and let's start by the middle pin. Put the negative on the third pin, there is no reading, and in the first, no reading. Let's go to the third pin, nothing and nothing. Now let's try in the first pin. We get one reading and a second reading. So this is an NPN transistor and the first pin is the base. Let's check what happens if we choose the negative terminal of the multimeter as the common. No reading, no reading. Nothing. We get one reading. We need two readings. One single reading does not indicate nothing. And finally, nothing and one single reading. Okay, so we have checked that this is an NPN transistor with the first pin as the base. Now for a PNP transistor, the idea is the same. A PNP transistor can be seen as two diodes connected by the negative terminal. So we will only get two readings of the multimeter when we connect the negative terminal of the multimeter in the base and the positive in the other two pins of the transistor. For a PNP transistor, we will use the negative terminal of the multimeter as the common. So let's put it on the first pin and check the other two. We get one reading and two readings. So this is a PNP and the first pin is the base. Let's check the other combinations. Here there is no reading and nothing. And finally, no reading and no reading. Thanks for your visit. I hope you find this useful. In a forthcoming video, we will learn how to identify the base, collector and emitter of a transistor.